Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to draw this realistic cat with a single pencil. So let's get started. So friends, before getting into that, let me show you how to draw the outlines, and before that the materials you need for this. Unlike other drawings, today I'm going to use a single pencil and mechanical pencil of 0.7 with HB LEDs, and then a mono eraser for highlights. And if you don't have this, just use a normal eraser, then a ruler if you need. That's it friends, these are the materials you need for this drawing, and let's jump into it. So friends, first of all, draw a straight line and divide into two. Then mark an approximate value right in the middle, and it would be around 1.5 times of a single eye. Then draw the eyes on both the sides and take the exact measurement of the distance in between the eyes and mark as the distance of nose. That's the distance for the nose. It will differ from picture to picture, but in this picture which I'm using, it is like that. But it is general for the straight looking cat or the kitties, so you can use this measurement for any other pictures when the cat looking straight to the camera. Then friends, mark the distance like this and draw the mouth. Then you can draw the other things just like roughly so that you can easily change it. And by the way, the other things will differ from each cat because some cat will have a lot of fur as compared to other cats like that. But you can just mark, you can take the exact measurement of the eye line and the chin and then mark it as the distance between the eye line and the top of the head. Then friends, use the same measurement for drawing the ears because it will be roughly around those measurements, so you can use it. And then take the distance of an eye and then mark it on both the sides to just form the face, and there you can have the whole head drawn. So I have used a lot of rough measurements, but when you are using it, it will be easy for you, and I'll provide the exact same picture of outline which I'm drawing right now down below in description. You can use the link and download it. Then friends, I'll link the source pictures too, so don't worry about it, just use it and draw it. Then friends, unlike my other drawings, I'll use my fancy different grades of graphite pencils to draw the things, but today I'm going to use this single pencil. So everything depends upon the three things which is coming next. So friends, the first thing is how to shade. Now I have shown you how to draw the outlines, so the second thing is how to shade. I have already posted a separate video of showing you the 6 different type of things, 6 different type of shades, so you can go and watch it. The link is in description as well as in the cards. Then friends, I have also posted a video to show you my line practice before drawing something. It is usual for me, and when you are using a line practice thing for your drawings before your drawings, your drawing will be improving a bit instantly. So friends, if you haven't known about how to shade and other shading techniques, and then about the line practice and other stuffs, go and watch those videos so that you can get it. But if you already know it, or if you already watched those videos, no worries, just start drawing. Friends, as I said, in this drawing we are going to use pen pressure. Pen pressure means how much pressure you put into your pen, generally speaking. So friends, just control your pen pressure, and if you want darker results, press a bit harder. Don't push too hard because you may ruin the paper. If you want too dark results, like by using an 8B or 10B pencil, you just need to use the layering technique. Friends, I have said this in a lot of videos. Layering is one of the most best technique I have ever used for drawing because you can control the things easily, by the way, from going from light to dark, so just use it. Then friends, you can easily see all of the techniques and other stuffs here in the speed drawing stuff. I don't need to talk more about it. Friends, today I'm going to use hatching technique. This is one of my most favorite technique, is just drawing lines from one direction to other direction, and I'm going to form a little bit different curvy lines so that we can get that furry texture. People use indenting techniques and other stuffs to draw first, but this is a beginner tutorial and I want to keep it simple as much as I can. So friends, just take your pencil and draw it. You don't need any other special equipments for this, just your eraser and your pencil and a sharpener. If you want, you can use a ruler. That's it. So friends, I hope you like this video, and as you can see right now, I'm just using the stroke technique. yeah, I want to say something about it. Friends, use the strokes very carefully because it want to be in the same direction as the hair goes in the reference picture. After watching this video, if you have learned something and if you are trying this, I'd love to know it, so please let me know it by sharing this on Instagram or tagging me, or just send a DM. It will be great. So that's it, friends. You can just see it and draw it. I hope it will be easy for you. So friends, here exactly I lost the whole clip. Actually I completed the drawing, but afterwards I have seen all those videos which I have captured afterwards was corrupted, so I'm so sorry, and I don't want to erase the whole thing and draw it again or draw the exact drawing again. So I erased the bottom or the body part so that I can draw it, because I don't want to disturb the face, so I just kept it like that, and I'm drawing the body again. So friends, as I said, here everything is about the pen pressure. So control your pen pressure and draw just like this. You will get good results. Friends, don't be fast in it, because when you are starting out, we are not good at anything when we are starting, right? So friends, be patient on your work, whether it is drawing or any other thing which you are starting just now. So friends, when I have started to draw, I might took more than 2 to 3 hours for drawing this exact drawing, but now I have completed within 45 minutes. I'm not saying this for anything other than just to motivate you. So friends, when you are starting out, you'll be taking a lot of time to draw a drawing, but when you're doing it daily, you'll be good at it, so you'll be getting faster at it. So friends, as you can see, I'm using the layering technique to get darker results so that you can use it. Then friends, I hope you learned something new here. We are about to complete it, and friends, as I promised and as I said, we have completed the whole drawing with a single pencil, the 0.7 mechanical pencil with HB LEDs. And friends, if you are using all the techniques which I have said in this video, you could be better at it. So friends, that's it, and I hope you have learned something, and if you are trying this out, just share with me on Instagram or Twitter or Telegram, so that I'll be so happy. Then friends, leave your thoughts down below in comments, and that's it friends. And if you like this video and if you like this drawing and this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support my work, and I have some recommendations over there. Please go and watch it, and thank you so much for watching friends. See you in the next video. Until then, this is